Have you ever wondered what it takes to transform a stock Kawasaki ZH2 into a street fighting monster speed machine? Hold on, because what you're about to see isn't just a build, it's a game changer. From custom modifications to insane horsepower, this is the ultimate Kawasaki ZH2 drag bike project. You can't miss! Get ready to witness raw power, precision tuning, and a whole lot of speed. Coming up next on
Introducing Powermoto, the series, and as I showcase reviews.
You fake YouTubers, it's on.
And
Let me hear it! Let me hear it! I gotta wear my plugs! Fucking sick! I was thinking about that. I was thinking about you. Boom! And he showed up. Sick. Look at that. H2. Powermoto. The H2 is over there. The standard H2, not the fun one.
Not an H2.
Not the fun one. And then I said, what? What's going on? The Z1000s, where are they at? And then you showed up, bro. Look at you. All the upgrades. I got the kiddos confused. They think you're going off-road sometimes, but you know what to do. You don't want this to get hit. That's smart, bro. I haven't seen it. That looks legit.
Welcome to Powermoto, your ultimate destination for everything motorcycles. Hey gang, thanks for tuning in. Today, we're diving into an epic transformation of a true beast on two wheels. Hold on to your helmets, because what you are witnessing right now is nothing short of legendary. A Kawasaki ZH2 Supercharged turned drag monster by our subscriber James. Check James out on his motorcycle. He has gone all in, pushing this supercharged powerhouse to new limits. First up, the DME extension. Check out how he's extended the rear tire footprint, giving the bike a more aggressive stance and improved drag performance. Now James has upgraded it with a full Demon full system exhaust. Man, Demon, listen to that roar. Oh my god! And check out the beautiful Powermoto bays. Overall, this bike now sports a larger footprint, tuned for drag racing, making it a true beast ready to dominate the strip. Check this drag bike out. Oh my god! And that wraps up our look at James's incredible Kawasaki ZH2 Supercharged build. If you love seeing these bikes, get the full treatment, be sure to like, share, and subscribe to Powermoto. You have a custom bike of your own? Want it featured on our next video? Reach out to us at powermoto@gmail.com. Based right here in South Florida. We're always eager to showcase your ride. Thanks for watching, riding, and supporting all things motorcycles. And until next time, keep the throttle open and your passion burning.
Well, you guessed
For all
right.
things motorcycles, we out!
It's not a ZX10 and it's not a Hayabusa. It's the Kawasaki Supercharged ZH2 on Powermoto.
Hey guys, thanks for watching. Hit that playlist, support this channel, fam, and I see you on the next one. If you like this video, check out one of these two other similar videos. And thanks for subscribing. We out!